So, you want to fly a drone professionally in Northern Ireland. Okay, let's get into what that really takes.
Look, the skies are opening up. Drones aren't just toys anymore, they're changing how business gets done.
Think about it. Farming, media, these fields now need skilled drone pilots. The demand is just huge.
But with all this growth, what really separates a casual flyer from a certified in-demand professional?
When you're starting out, you basically have two paths, and trust me, they are worlds apart. Trying to teach yourself? Well, that's the danger zone. You're risking accidents, and you're not commercially compliant. The alternative? Structured training. It's your safe, compliant, and fast track to flying like a pro.
And it starts at the top with an instructor who's not only CAA approved, but an active search and rescue pilot. Here, you're training in a purpose-built environment, from the classroom to a massive 20-acre airfield. Plus, you get your hands on the most advanced hardware, the same gear the pros are using right now. So, what will you actually learn? Let's look at the 5 pillars that make you flight ready.
It all boils down to this: knowing the law, mastering the machine, and understanding yourself as the pilot.
And the proof is in the pudding. This training is trusted by pros at the BBC, British Airways, and emergency services. The network also extends to huge names in engineering, construction, and infrastructure all across the country.
Okay, so there are a few different flight paths. You can pick the one that's the perfect fit for you.
All right, you're cleared for takeoff. This is where you can book your assessment and get started. So, are you ready to command the skies? It's time to turn that passion into your profession.